Good morning. It's been about a month since I slept in my tent, and in that time summer has very much arrived. It's quite sweaty in here and I wasn't cold overnight. What an absolute dream. Today I'm heading down to the Dead Sea where I hope to camp there. It's going to be ever so slightly warmer there as well. Can you believe it? I pumped my tyres yesterday and I have a puncture in my brand new tyre. It's only at half what it should be. Come on. I'm so annoyed about that tyre. There is a lot of glass about, but if I'm lucky, the bike sat in the sun for a week and there is a patch on the back tyre. So if I'm lucky, it's just that the glue has melted on that patch. Camels? There's still camels about. Where are you, Israeli? Oh! Israeli camels! Or are they horses? No, camels! Alright, let's try a maccas for some Wi-Fi and puncture repair facilities. Okay, here goes nothing. Maccas car park. It's the world's smallest sink. There's no puncture, I swear. I've been around it several times. It's a phantom. Nothing. I don't remember hitting anything hard yesterday which would have forced the air out of the valve. Somebody have let the air out of my tyre on purpose. I didn't have a cap on, so I borrowed this one from my spare. I don't have time to take all this in. It's like 4 o'clock and I've accomplished nothing. And I'm in the first Israeli supermarket I've been into. It's massive. Normally I like to take my time over these things, but I just need to grab some quick food and make some actual distance today. Okay, for time and simplicity, I'm just going to grab a couple of hummuses. I do not have time for this, but it'd be rude not to while I'm here. Admittedly, I rushed that, but that's $40! Oh my God! On a couple of days of food, crikey. Hours later, I'm finally on my way. I can't keep this up. I need a solution. Perhaps I need to get an Israeli SIM, or perhaps the Wi-Fi was just bad in maccas. I'm looking for the post office. That looks like a post office type of logo in Hebrew. One thing I actually had to do today is post my Dynamo hub. You have to have an appointment at the post office in Israel, but this nice man is asking to see if I can be let in. So that was a no. But you know what is easy in Israel is getting a SIM card. I didn't even have to give my passport. Now I've got 100 gigs of data for 30 days. Thank you so much to Horst who has PayPal'd me, and that's how I'm using it. And now no more waiting for 5 hours at McDonald's every day. Thanks, Horst. On the days when I'm running late. Far out. cyclist, I'm guessing. There's another one. Two. Back down at sea level and still hundreds of meters above the sea. Free camping! Awesome. That was easier than I was expecting. So there's probably more beautiful spots, but I think the beaches are private if I go much further north. So here's my free camp for the night. Not bad. I mean, it's flat, but it's a bit gravelly. And my zip's given up. This one already failed a long time ago, but now I don't have a functioning fly. So I was sulking a little bit about the tent until I remembered it's 7 years old and that I got wine, and you can't be sulking about a tent when you got wine. So cheers to a strangely challenging yet ultimately rewarding day in Israel. Let's see how this goes down. Okay, I mean, maybe I should spring like an extra 10 shekels, but it's better than the Jordanian stuff. It's good, it's not bad, it's good, it's fine.